My next door neighbour is making noises and Coco's wondering where the noise is coming from. She's investigating. My neighbour is hammering and drilling and she doesn't know where it's coming from, bless her. So she's having a good old look. She can't work out where the noise is coming from. Coke. I think she'll stay there now till he's finished. This is my mum. Pictures. And Dad. Yeah, she's still wondering. She was all settled, comfortable, sleeping, and then all the noises started, so she's investigating now. He's coming from the wall, but she's looking on the floor by the radio. She hasn't got a clue where it's coming from. No, it's not coming from the radio, girl. It's in the walls. And she's getting quite big now. Don't know what size she's going to grow to. She'll finish growing when she's about 2 years old. And she's only coming up to 9 months now. No, she works it out, it's in the wall, but don't know where it's coming from, Mum. What's this strange noise then, huh? Get down off the radio, missus. You're lucky it's a solid radio. You can sit on it. You're not supposed to. Are you? Get off the radio. Anyway, we're signing off, so have a great day. Let her figure out where the noise is coming from. Bye.